This is the Salim Ali Information Center at Ranganathittu Bird Sanctuary. This sanctuary is in Karnataka. It is located 3 kilometers from the historic city of Srirangapatna and 13 kilometers from Mysore. It consists of 6 islets on the banks of Kaveri River. Roughly 180 varieties of birds have been recorded here. The boat tours of islets are a good way to watch birds, crocodiles, bats and otters. These are ibises. Here you can watch a crocodile in the river. There are a large number of crocodiles here. When it is sunny, you can see them basking in the sun on the small rocks. Some of the birds seen here are white ibis, egrets, river terns, darters and cormorants. During winter months, large number of birds come here. Some even come from Siberia, Latin America and parts of North India. This place is a popular nesting site for the birds. As you are seeing, the islets of the bird sanctuary have dense vegetation and the atmosphere here is serene. And it is a mini paradise for the bird watchers. You can see 2 black cormorants on the trees. Here you are seeing some egrets on the trees. Thank you for watching and have a good day.